Okay. Turn away.
Kaylee, what are we having for dinner?
Pizza.
Ethan, what are we having for dinner?
Pizza.
Pizza? Where's your pizza?
Pizza.
Yum yum.
Pizza.
Pizza. Bubba's, how's your pizza? Yum yum yum. Can you take a bite? Pizza. Ooh.
Oh. Can I do something?
Whoa, what are you eating, big girl?
Pizza.
Is that your own size?
Yes.
What's on your pizza?
Cheese.
And what else?
Green beans.
Green beans. And what about that dipping sauce? Do you dip your pizza in that or only the green beans?
Only the green beans.
Pretty yummy.
No.
Good. It's good that we can get that pizza just your size, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's fun to have little tiny pizzas.
Little tiny pizzas. What's Bubba's doing? What are you eating, Bubba's?
Yeah.
Pizza.
He's eating food.
Where's your pizza? Good job, Bubba's. Bye-bye. Crazy kids. All right, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.